If you're having problems recording or playing back your recordings on your Sky Plus HD box, try rebuilding your planner. Rebuilding your planner will stop recordings currently in progress, but your saved programs won't be deleted. To rebuild your planner, press Services on your Sky remote. Go to Help and press Select. Scroll to Sky Plus Rebuild, press Select, and press Select again to continue. You'll see this message before your Sky box switches off. Wait for 3 minutes, then press the Sky button on your remote. Your planner should have rebuilt. If you don't see this screen when you press Services, you may not have the latest software. To rebuild your planner, press Services to get to the Options menu. Scroll along the top to Settings and press Select. Quickly press 0, 1, then Select to find the hidden Setup menu. Scroll to Rebuild, press Select, and press Select again and your planner will rebuild. For more help, visit sky.com/help.